Right here, I have two amazing bar stools from Victory Relax, and I'm very excited to show you guys all about these. Let's get into some of the features that these have to offer. Right off the bat, we are gonna see that this has a very natural wood grain finish, and this is made from 100% acacia wood. So it is gonna be real, and every single one of these is gonna have a different pattern or characteristic to it because the grain is gonna be real and it can differ from chair to chair. So I really like that natural look. It stands out, it pops. You can see it against my floor and it just looks absolutely amazing. These bar stools are going to be 24 inches in height, which is going to make it perfect for countertops that are 36 to 39 inches. Sitting on this chair, these hold up to 352 pounds, which is very impressive because this chair isn't huge. It's kind of a portable light chair, very easy to assemble. You could assemble both of these in probably 10 to 15 minutes, and you also get a really nice footrest that is built in here that's ergonomic to the feet. I have just socks on and it doesn't feel like it's digging into my foot whatsoever, and I feel like the foot placement is in a very good spot where I'm really comfortable. One thing I really like about this chair is it's gonna have a large seat on the top that's gonna be very comfortable, and it has a little bit of a concave. It's actually designed to be ergonomic, and as you're sitting on this chair for a longer period of time, you can just tell that it definitely encourages you to sit in a better posture position, and you don't feel like your back is getting tired, even though these are a nice backless design. Being a backless design, you're able to push these completely underneath your island, your kitchen counter, and saving you a ton of room because most chairs are gonna have a backrest that sticks up. These not having a backrest enables me to push this all the way up. It's gonna save a ton of space. So if you're limited on space, that's definitely a plus. But that's not the only reason why I would get something like this. These chairs look outstanding. I love how they all are just different, and they have different colors to choose from, so you can match your house perfectly depending on what your style is. This is gonna be the natural light color, and honestly, I could have probably went with any of the colors and been happy with them, but I thought this one was really speaking to me and it just looks really cool. On the bottom of these bar stools, you're also gonna get the leveling kits as well, so you can screw them and adjust them to make sure these are gonna be sitting flat. With these being real wood, you might think, okay, what does it feel like? I have to say, the company sands these down so well. I've actually never felt wood this smooth in my life, so I would not be worrying about this chipping or anything like that, or being uncomfortable or ripping your pants, to be honest with you. I don't think you're gonna have that whatsoever because it is so smooth and soft. These are gonna last a long time. They're gonna be super durable. You could throw these in your living room. You can throw these in a bedroom nook. You could use these in a garage as a workshop chair because it just has that natural feel and it's super comfortable. Overall, I give these chairs a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend them. Add them to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.